Hello, it's Jaclyn with Skin Perfect Spas, and I'm really excited today to share with you tips on how to treat your sunburned skin. So first of all, our skin after having too much sun is hot and it's red and it's angry. So the optimal thing you want to do to your skin is cool it down. Now, when you think about it, immediately you think about maybe ice. Well, the challenge with ice is you don't want to put it directly on the skin because your skin's barrier is impaired when you're sunburned, and that can be very overwhelming to your skin, and even you can frostbite your skin on top of sunburn your skin. So that ice immediately applied is too much. If you want to use ice, you need to wrap it in like a dish towel, put it first in like a Ziploc bag, then wrap it in a dish towel, and then put it on. Frozen bag of peas or corn, wrap it in a dish towel or paper towel, put it on. Those are all fine. Remember, 10 minutes on, 10 minutes off for 1 hour. That's really what's gonna help calm that inflammation and soothe burned skin. Option 2 is if you have an aloe plant, or like at Skin Perfect, we have an aloe mask. It's called our Sodium HA mask, which is sodium hyaluronic, like hyaluronic acid. What you can do is if you have like a little first aid kit at home and you have some medical gauze, you can kind of take it apart just like this, and then you can apply it to your skin and use your aloe plant or your mask, and you're gonna apply it just like this to the skin, and this gauze gives that aloe something to hang on to. Because what happens is when your skin is super sunburned and it's super hot, aloe just will drip and melt right off, because anything will melt right off of your skin. So you need this anchor like the gauze to apply. And then that way you can let the mask sit for 10 to 15 minutes, and that's optimal to help calm the inflammation in the skin. Now, the other option is you can use emu oil. You can use the Skin Recovery Hydrator. Emu oil is very healing for burns, hence like this is derived from the emu bird. And it is amazing on not just a sunburn, but any burn, even if you burn yourself on the oven. And then we have the Skin Recovery Hydrator. It has hydrocortisone in it, which is very soothing for any type of inflammation. Anything you don't know how to treat it with your skin and it's red or it's inflamed or it's bumpy, you put this on, it's like magic. It's gonna soothe irritated skin, and it's gonna help heal it much quicker. The last but not least is you can come in and see us at the spa, and we actually have on special this month a sunburn repair treatment. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna be very gentle. We're gonna give you a lot of healing ingredients. For example, we have an aloe mask here, and it's one of our like rubber masks that you see on social media that kind of like, it's going to dry in a rubber, kind of a rubber effect. And what that does is it stays cold. So we're gonna mix this together with some water. This is an aloe mask in a bowl, and we mix it up, and it kind of gets like a soupy, but then it starts looking creamy, and we pour that on, and it's cold and it feels amazing. The other thing that we're gonna do in the facial, we'll do a little mini facial massage with the emu oil, but then also we're going to use the big guns. The big guns, which is the cryo machine. Cryo machine, this is like a liquid nitrogen. It is amazing to cool inflamed skin. In fact, in sports, they use this on injuries, like if you have a knee or an elbow you've hurt. This is called localized cryotherapy, and they can really just take it to the area and cool it down. So like if I was working on Cece, I could cleanse her skin, properly apply like aloe, any type of emu oil, soothing ingredients. Then I can do a mask on top, and then after the mask, I can treat her with the cryo, the liquid nitrogen, and it's gonna feel so good. The idea is we wanna take that blood away from the top of the skin to give you some relief. And when you're doing it, the client feels immediate relief. And then this is important. I mean, what if you have a wedding to go to? What if you have dinner plans and you were out in the boat too long and you got burnt? Well, come see us at Skin Perfect. Right now, that is on special. That treatment is on special. Members get 25% off, non-members get 15% off, and cool and soothe your skin immediately. Don't have to wait 3 or 4 days for the whole process to happen. Speed it up and come see us soon. Go to skinperfectspas.com or follow us on all our social media channels for any awesome skin tips. All right, I hope you have a safe summer, and I'll see you next time.